Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesithembu. Ngabe is back on her screens. She says that this is her last family trip with the Mseleko family, meaning that Ngabe was serious about leaving Mseleko because she says she decided she's just gonna go and have fun. Is this the last time she goes on a trip with them? I remember even last time when she planned the 50th birthday party from Mseleko, she said that it's a form of saying goodbye, so that when she's gone, Mseleko can say that she once did something nice for him, even though she knows that Mseleko hardly has anything good to say about her. But then she was just doing that as a gift to him. So imagine she's on the trip. Last family trip, she said she's just gonna go. I think also she's doing it for her kids because obviously her kids want to be in the family trip, and then she's there nje no Makhumalo. Umayeni is not there yet, and then Umacele vele said she's not doing family trips. And then Usne is there feeling awkward because Usne initially didn't want to go, but Umacele asked her to go for the sake of the kids. So Usne is there feeling awkward and looking awkward. She's sitting there pressing her phone. Umangabe says, "Here's Usne. This is the first time they're seeing her ever since she went on that podcast and spread those lies about them. Ethi nje akamfuni uMangwabe noMakhumalo because abamthandi, they don't like her, they don't treat her well. All those things that Mangwabe nje, all those things were lies. Usne nje just went there and lied about them. So Usne uthi nje and she's sitting there, she's coffee phone yakhe because no one's talking to her. Athi Mangwabe uright nje ukuzi-isolate her because there's a saying that says a guilty heart has no rest, meaning that there is no rest for the wicked. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.